Entry door installation in Pompano Beach, Florida, is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in front door replacement and custom entry doors Pompano Beach, ensuring a perfect fit for your residential or commercial needs. Whether you're interested in fiberglass entry doors, steel entry doors, or wooden entry doors, we provide a wide range of options to suit your style and budget. For those seeking door replacement services in Pompano Beach, our skilled technicians offer comprehensive solutions, including door frame replacement and door jamb replacement. We understand the importance of maintaining the integrity of your entry doors, which is why we also provide door threshold replacement and entry door sealing services. Our door weatherproofing techniques ensure your doors withstand the elements, providing long-lasting durability. Hurricane impact doors are essential for Pompano Beach residents, offering superior protection against severe weather conditions. Our impact doors Pompano Beach services include installation and maintenance, ensuring your home or business is safeguarded. Additionally, we offer energy-efficient doors Pompano Beach solutions to help reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. Enhance your property's security with our door security upgrades and door lock installation services in Pompano Beach. Our team is experienced in installing high-quality door hardware, providing peace of mind for homeowners and business owners alike. We also offer door security Pompano Beach consultations to assess and improve your current security measures. For those looking to add a touch of elegance, our decorative glass doors and entry door painting services in Pompano Beach are the perfect solution. Customize your entry doors Pompano Beach with our entry door customization services, allowing you to create a unique and personalized look. Our door painting Pompano Beach experts use high-quality paints and finishes to ensure a beautiful and long-lasting result. Sliding entry doors are a popular choice for modern homes and businesses in Pompano Beach. Our sliding doors Pompano Beach services include installation and maintenance, providing a sleek and functional entry solution. We also offer door hardware installation to ensure your sliding doors operate smoothly and efficiently. Our residential entry doors and commercial door solutions in Pompano Beach cater to a variety of needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for custom doors Pompano Beach or standard options, our team is dedicated to providing exceptional service and quality products. We offer entry door consultation services to help you choose the best doors for your property. Door maintenance is essential for prolonging the life of your entry doors Pompano Beach. Our Pompano Beach door maintenance services include regular inspections and replacements, ensuring your doors remain in top condition. We also provide door sealing Pompano Beach services to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. For businesses in Pompano Beach, our commercial doors Pompano Beach services offer durable and reliable solutions. From installation to replacement, our team is equipped to handle all your commercial door needs. We understand the importance of functionality and security for commercial properties, which is why we offer comprehensive door solutions.